Welcome to Old Friends and New Roads. My name's Keith. Today we're going to do something different. I'm going to build a fire pit. This fire pit build is going to cost less than $100, and everybody online does it a little bit different. This is not going to be a permanent fire pit. We have big plans for our dandelion farm to redo this whole area, so I'm going to do a fire pit just because that's probably a few years down the road. So 6 in the morning, I like starting early, and I'm ready to rock. Well, I got to get some coffee. This is a little different video than I normally do. If you came to it looking for a fire pit, you're going to get that. If you're interested in motorcycles, check out some of my other videos because I can't seem to shut up about them. So, welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're digging what I'm doing. So, appreciate that. Stay tuned. All right, I'm going to go over the tools required. Shovel, rake. I don't know what that's called. Not a hoe, but rocks, levels, children's ruler, caulking gun, landscape adhesive, rubber mallet, block, gloves, twig, pine cone, and rock and tire. We selected this location for our fire pit. I got it mocked up. It's 12 bricks for each layer. I'm going to do it a little bit. I'm just going to go around this edge because we got to remove some dirt. I'm going to do it slightly bigger than the bricks because I want a border of rock so that we can mow around this okay. So I'm going to do that. Alright, that looks pretty good. Time to get the rocks out of the way and really get to work. Alright. Good way to get rid of weeds. I don't know if you can pick it up, but it's higher over here than it is over here. So I want it level. I'm going to remove more over here, less over here. I'm still going to go down a little bit, but just not as deep. Fuck. Dang. I'm gonna check the level. Got a garage full of tools. Couldn't seem to find a tape measure. Elementary school ruler it is. So you can see, there's definitely humps in the middle, but we're probably 2 inches higher on that end, so I'm going to true up the edges, loosen up some dirt, kind of pack it around. that's about a circle. Dig there. So now I'm just going to kind of try to loosen up the dirt so that I can level it better. Next tool up is one of these. Time to pack it down. I'm going to do this around where the brick's going to lie. I'm not as concerned with the middle where the fire's going to be. So I'm going to probably just do it from the brick out to the edge, just trying to pack it down. Here I have a layer of paver base. Hear sirens in the background, and you can hear probably every once in a while neighbors have goats and chickens, because again, I live in Portland, Oregon. So I was expecting the paver base to be more of the fine stuff, not so much as the big stuff, but I'm going to try pushing the bigger stuff to the outer edge, because that's where I'm going to have the layer of river rock, so that'll just add to it. So you pull it out, and as you squeeze it, squish down pretty good.
And we want to have the sides angled inward.
Yeah, that's what creates the circle.
Oh, it's got like spots on it.
Oh, here, I'll let you do it. All right, This is the finished product. Got the stone around the edge. Devin did a good job. Now we're looking forward to a fire. Thanks for watching.